Hello, I am going to show you 3 ways to complete the anatomically correct hand turkey assignment. This is the first way, okay? So this is way 1, all right? And this involves clicking the link I gave you for TeacherMade. When you click on the link, you're gonna enter your 900 number. This is my fake 900 number, don't enter that, okay? And click Start. Right now, when I scroll down, you can see I already started this, but I still want to show you what I'm doing. So the distal phalanges are supposed to be colored brown. So on color, I need to choose brown. And I'm going to be scribbling. So this is the appropriate tool. When I first start drawing, you can see awful small. So I'm going to change this to the largest one I can, which is 9. And then that's going to allow me to draw easier in that space. It won't take quite as long to fill it. When you are all done, okay, you're going to use this zoom out feature. Zoom out until you can see the whole turkey hand with your turkey decorations. And then you're going to use the snipping tool. Okay, or you could take a screenshot. Okay, I just like the snipping tool myself. And then you are going to save it to your computer, and then you will upload it in Schoology. Right, so again, from your computer, you could just take a screenshot or use the snipping tool. If you look up here, you can just click I'm done, but the important piece you did, which was submit it in Schoology. All right, now we are going to look at option 2, which is CAMI. Okay, when you are in CAMI, you're going to sign in. I already have with Google. All right, and I'm going to open it from my computer because, again, I've downloaded the anatomically correct turkey to my computer. I will open it, and you can see I have already started it, but here are the major tools. So again, I need brown, so click on drawing. Choose a stroke thickness. This gives you a visual of it. Choose the correct color, and I'll start this here. Okay, so that's really easy peasy. Okay, if I want to undo it right here, I could get rid of that and retry it. Okay, when you're all done, you're going to need to download it so that you can upload it. Here's the important part. Pick the annotations. Otherwise, I can't see what you did. That's kind of pointless. Okay. And then you're going to begin the export, which is going to save it to your computer so you can upload it. So you would do this, begin export. It's exporting it to a PDF file, so then you can upload it, and there we go. It's downloaded on my computer, okay? And way 3 is using DocHub, okay? So I'm already logged into DocHub using my Google account, okay? But I wanted to show you again, starting from the beginning. I click New. I'm going to bring it in from my computer, and I'm looking for my anatomically correct turkey. And then I'm going to, it's going to open that document for me. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Of course, I've read the directions. Here we know we want brown here. So I need a tool. Okay, that's highlighter. This is going to be more appropriate. Okay, there's the color, right? But you can pick any color, but brown is what we need here. When I start drawing again, see how tiny that is? Again, change to a larger amount. Okay, so that looks much easier, right, to color in. When you're all done, you're going to click download or export. Yes, download to your computer, and then you're going to be able to upload that file to Schoology. So, quick recap, 3 ways. 1, TeacherMade. You need to do a screen grab or a snipping tool of your finished product so you can submit it. 2, CAMI. CAMI requires an extension, but you can download your file when you are finished to submit. 3, DocHub. DocHub doesn't work on all the school devices, but if it does work on yours and you sign up with Google, Again, it allows you to download and then submit in Schoology. And there you have it, 3 ways to complete this assignment.